This WUSA 9 Weather Impact Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Hey everyone, meteorologist Daniel Johnson here with the latest update to your Friday forecast. We're tracking some rain showers, some drizzle, and even a wintry mix. That wintry mix will likely affect areas north of D.C. So, weather impact alert in effect through midnight tonight because of that light rain that could cause some nuisance issues on the roadways and that light wintry mix that could cause some icy conditions on the roadways. Again, this will be north of D.C. when it comes to the wintry mix. So if you are heading north, especially up 95, maybe toward Baltimore, or the closer you get to the Mason-Dixon line, that's where issues will likely come into play. So winter weather advisories in effect for all these counties in purple: northwestern Loudoun County, northwestern Montgomery County, and points off to the north. Ice storm warning for western Maryland, the higher elevations where we're going to see some significant icing. But it's these areas in purple, including Baltimore, Frederick, Westminster, Hagerstown, and Winchester, where a light glaze of ice could cause some concern on the roadways. It's a big travel day. A lot of people heading home after the Christmas holiday, so just something to put out there to make sure everyone's just paying attention to the forecast. Over the next 12 hours throughout the day today, dry and cloudy for a while. It's not until dinner time when the bulk of that precipitation rolls through the region. So here we are, hour by hour on Futurecast. Notice the pinks showing up here north of town as early as 1, 2, 3 p.m. We're seeing a little bit of a wintry mix. But again, the bulk of this moisture arrives in the DMV by 6 or 7 p.m. You can see it right here, a little bit of rain in D.C. at 6, but pinks showing up. That's a wintry mix, sleet, freezing rain with temperatures hovering near freezing. That includes you in Frederick, Hagerstown, Westminster, even Gaithersburg, BWI, seeing some of the sleet and freezing rain at 6 o'clock, and that will continue for a couple of hours. Good and bad news. Bad news is a couple hours of some freezing rain will likely cause some issues. The good news is it's a quick moving clipper system, so it doesn't last long. It gets out of here, and temperatures for most of us will likely briefly climb above freezing after the precipitation shuts off, so that will help in some areas. So how much ice? Again, not a lot, but a little bit can cause some problems. 0.06 of an inch in Westminster, possibly getting close to 1/10 of an inch the farther north you go, and then significant icing likely north of the Mason-Dixon line, and again in the higher elevations as we head into western Maryland. Now we are looking ahead. When's our next chance for precipitation after today? Well, that comes on Sunday afternoon. Maybe. That's a big question mark. Looks like most of it will stay to our north. Just an isolated shower is possible on Sunday. It's Monday where all of us will see a chance for some rain, and it will be plain rain. It's going to be a very mild Monday with high temperatures in the 60s. But it won't last. It is winter after all. Here comes the Arctic blast, another one. The pattern looks to change. Look at all that cold air rolling in here heading into next week. It arrives on Tuesday, and it continues into 2026 as we kick off the new year. So there's that rain and warm air on Monday, leading to that Arctic air mass rolling through Tuesday, Wednesday, and into the new year.